Hey guys, in this video, I was originally going to show you how to clean your silver jewelry. And what ended up happening was that I found out that this wasn't sterling silver. So I got tricked. But regardless, this is how you clean it. You put some baking soda. You put about a tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of baking soda. And then you need boiled water and foil. And then you pour the boiling water into the bowl, and then it should oxidize and then start cleaning. It ended up cleaning the ring, but as you'll see, it just, I realized it's not pure silver, or maybe it's not even silver. All right, it's been a good 15 minutes or so. You see, it's still stained. Try wet. Well, with the baking soda test, baking soda, foil, salt, this is the best we got. I mean, definitely better than before. What do you guys think? Any questions or comments? Please write below if you have any advice. Thanks.